Hey, what's going on everybody? It's DJ MOJOE, saving the city one party at a time. I want to welcome you to another video here on my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be sharing with you some behind the scenes and some highlights of today's wedding. Today's wedding is going to be at Hartley Botanica down in Somis, California. I'm so excited to be here as their DJ and MC. We just had their ceremony and I had some time right now just to give you an idea of exactly what's going on. So this is such a great venue down here in Somis. It's kind of hidden, but it's one of those venues that once you see it, you are amazed. It's kind of funny because this is going to be my second wedding at a Botanica garden feel kind of vibe. Last weekend was in San Diego. This time it's up here north of Los Angeles. And this is such a great venue. It's very tropical, lots of shade, which is super important for the guests during the ceremony as they're waiting. Everything is all close by and has so much personality and character. This is a Hartley Botanica, and I've also DJ'd another wedding here. I'll leave that video up here in this card so you can check that out. But I'm excited to be back, and I'll be back again next week. But anyhow, I want to show you my setup, what's been going on. So earlier today, we had the ceremony for Alex and Yvette, and they hired Mariachi, which was so cool. They really set the vibe for the ceremony as guests enter. They took care of the prelude, the actual ceremony music, the recessional, and also they're playing music right now for the cocktail hour. And then right here, I'm just in charge for the reception. Normally I do cover the ceremony in terms of sound, but my responsibilities for the ceremony was making sure that the microphone is all set up for the officiant and also for the bride and groom. I use a lapel mic, and I also used a handheld microphone for the vows and readings. So once that was taken care of for the cocktail hour, normally I would play music, but the mariachi's there, and usually cocktail hour is in the other side of the garden venue. But here today, I'm really in charge of the dinner music, the dancing. I'm also the host as the MC. So this is my setup right here next to me. And I have two EVOX 8 speakers down by the dance floor or the lawn area covering this side of the venue. And also I have a third speaker in the back just to give some extra sound. I'm using my wireless transmitter, so that way whenever guests are enjoying the dinner or the dancing down here and they want to chill in the back, there's some background music, not as loud, but something to keep them engaged with what's going on. Especially when I'm making any announcements, I want them to be able to be heard as well. I'm also using my video booth. This is something new for 2021 and for all my future clients, putting video, and I'll share with you some footage of that. But I would really like to personalize my setup and just to make sure that, hey, it's branded to the couple. So anyways, that was my setup. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the description below, and all of my links to my gear are there as well. But I'd love to hear your feedback. What else is important for you? One more thing, also for all the vendors who are watching this video, it's a super easy load in. There's a pathway just maybe like 50 feet away that you can easily load in and load out. And the power is right next to DJ. This space is made for events, and really happy to be working here. They made it so easy, and all the staff here are nice. So shout out to the staff, Karen, Belle, the people who I'm working with today, and just really making it easy for the vendors and making sure that everyone is feeling good and ready to work for our clients. So that's it for now. I'm gonna show you around, and we'll try to capture some highlights. And if there's anything else, let me know down in the comment section so that way I can show you whatever you want in future videos. But I hope you're enjoying this so far. In the meantime, stay tuned to this video. Let me show you around.
Long hours and the moment of
What an amazing evening. We just finished the wedding of Yvette and Alex here at Hartley Botanica. It is now about 11:15 in the evening. I'm here on the dance floor. We're all packed up, ready to go. But just to give you a quick recap of what happened, we had the grand entrance, we had the first dance, we had a blessing of the food, some dinner, and our photographer took our couple to take some pictures. And when they got back, we had some speeches, some parent dances, and then we had the bride and groom say their thank you speech, and they kicked things off. I told them specifically after they were done with the thank you speech to hype up the crowd for the dancing. So we transitioned over to me. I got them hyped up and we danced. I played a mixture of some Latin music. I think we started off with Suavemente, and then we had a Latin set, and then I transitioned into more of a hip hop set, some throwbacks from the 2000s, and I played a mixture of some ratchet music. It was super fun, and then some zapateado and also some cumbia. I also played some salsa just a little bit, but we finished the night with some bangers, some high upbeat music, a salsa track, and then their last dance song by Snow Allegra. It was so fun up here on the dance floor. It sounded great. I used 2 EVOX 8 speakers right up here on the dance floor, and I believe they sound even more amazing when they're outdoors. Just the air and the sound can breathe. I was in the back of the dance floor and it sounded great. The bass was feeling it. You can hear the vocals clarity. I had some compliments about my sound, and I think especially from the staff saying how clear the sound was. So that was super helpful. One of the great things is like they had such amazing decor. I like the white dance floor. I like the chandeliers that they rented. You know what? They also had a photo booth. We had a churro cart in the back as well. People getting churros. We got the amor sign. The more traditional sign that you usually see is the love sign, but this one was amor, which in Spanish means love. And also towards the end of the night, we had the sparkler exit. That was super fun, and the staff here helped coordinate with that. But overall, it was such an amazing night, and now they're at the after party at Bogey's, and I'm going to pack up, head home. It is a 4th of July weekend, and I have another wedding on Monday. But overall, this has been an amazing event. And shout out to my friends Peter and Trisha. I DJ'd their weddings a few years ago, and they recommended me to this couple. And thank you, Yvette and Alex, for having me as your DJ. It was all a team effort with all the vendors here. Amazing, efficient, your photographer and your videographer. Thank you so much. And we all made it here. And also Karen and Belle at the venue. This is Hartley Botanica, a beautiful venue. It's kind of hidden, but definitely check this out. It is a beautiful spot if you're considering to get married here down in Southern California. And it's time to go home. If you enjoy this video, let me know down in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And follow me on Instagram as well at DJ_Mojo. Once again, congratulations, Yvette and Alex. It's been a pleasure being your DJ here tonight. I wish you all an amazing day wherever you are watching this video. I'm DJ MOJOE, saving the city one party at a time, and I'll see you in my next video.